What's up, guys? This is a room tour of our suite at the Royalton Negril. This is suite 5005. You can see they put a little door banner on here because we were celebrating our anniversary. So let's take a walk in. Come in the suite. You see we have the traditional commode back in the closet. We have a mirror over here to your right as you come in. That's me. And then you have your jetted tub. I don't want to call it a jacuzzi tub, but technically it is. And then you have a double bowl sink area. You have a nice shower, very large shower with a shower bench. You have two rainfall shower heads along with detachable shower head here. Very spacious. And then as we go over here, we have a closet, which when you open it up, at certain times anyway, yeah, the light comes on. You have your ironing board in here to supply two robes, slippers in here, additional pillow, bedding stuff in here as well. This happens to be a double room, even though we requested a king. This is what they had available because in building 5, they only have so many king beds, and they sold out of king beds, so we got stuck with the double. Again, mirrors to your right. So they got plenty of mirrors for you guys who like to take selfies and the women who like to look around all the time. Overhead fan, which you have controls over here. Move this stuff out of the way. That's your fan control and your temperature control there. These are night lights, very bright at night that you can see if you want to read. Both sides, of course, automatically shut off when you press them in. All right, the wife wants to give a demonstration on how you actually use the TV when you come in. This is the actual TV menu screen, which you do everything from, including access to TV, movies. It tells you all the information what's going on at the resort, your dining options, your room service options, entertainment options. Yeah, you can access your account, everything. It tells you about the Wi-Fi. So if you want to order your room service, which Diamond Club, they have 24-hour room service. The Diamond Club has additional menu items that's exclusive for Diamond Club. As you can see here, smoked salmon, shrimp cocktail, lasagna, beef bourguignon with potatoes, grilled salmon, jasmine rice, passion fruit premier, and chicken noodle soup. So those items are only available to Diamond Club members. That's just a little inside information in regards to if you choose to get Diamond Club. Our suite did come with butler, just to let you know. So if you want to have them make dinner reservations, other little things, bring in champagne wine to your room, or you need something scheduled, they're good for that.
These are your special services here. So if you want to do a room upgrade, they have that. The luxury wedding, the Royalton exclusive if you want to look and see what's beyond. Excursions, that's going on. You kind of click in here. They give you a taste of what some of the excursions are. All done 4-day.
And we took an excursion on our other videos, so you have to subscribe and click the notification button so that you'll get information in regards to the whole trip. We were here for 7 nights, so we got quite a bit of content that we're going to be uploading, and we'll give you information on all of that.
Let's see, and Also, if you want a wine menu, well, actually, we did the spa, the Royal Spa. Let me go back down to the Royal Spa. The spa was excellent. Being that we were Diamond Club members, we were able to do the hydrotherapy every day if we wanted to. I think we did it 4 days out the week. This gives you a quick glance of the hydro spa, and they have weekly offers, and that kind of gives you what's on Monday.
Right. So that's a kind of look at the pricing information.
Then we come out of here. Let's see what else we have at the spa, and then we did the couple massage. We did an indoor in the spa couple massage, but they also have a massage that you can take out on the beach. It's partially private. It's open to the beach, so the back and the sides of you are closed. I'm not really showing too much of that right there. That kind of gives you what's available that you can look at here on your TV.
Yeah, so TV basically gives you access to, do everything.
And this is the romantic dinners on the beach. Gives you an idea of what the menu look like and what the packages are. So once you get in, you can kind of glance through the TV, get a view of what's going on around, the resort. A lot of the amenities that's available. Because a lot of times if you don't Google or even ask at customer service, you won't know what's actually available to you outside of just your regular all-inclusive. So if you want to upgrade, you can always contact their services, see what's available for upgrade. We tried to upgrade, but they were pretty much booked.
Yeah, they were really booked. So we wanted to upgrade from where we were at, from the swim out to maybe a chairman suite or presidential suite, but it was just constantly booked. So it's really been busy. Even though I think they're only at 70% occupancy, it's still pretty full considering.
We got frustrated the first couple of days, kept trying to figure out how to get to the TV. So just make sure you go up to the top of the screen, hit TV, and it'll take you to the channels. The movies is an extra cost, but this kind of gives you an idea of what's available on the TV. Alright, I hope that was informative enough to give you a little insight of what goes on inside the room.
Over here, we have a sitting desk and we have a couch. So you have a pull-out couch here. So this particular room could probably sleep, 4 or 5 people? Yeah, at least in this particular room. And this is the best part of the room I'm about to show you here. My wife will come around here, quick duck the camera. They open the curtains for us because this is a swim out suite. Now, if you're getting a swim out suite, I definitely recommend getting building 5 because this is the view that you have stepping out onto your outside terrace to your swim out suite. And we're right directly in front of the beach. And we also have cabanas in front of our suite as well. The water is probably about 4 feet, 4.5 feet deep, something like that. But it's really nice to be able to have that when you come back and you just want to relax in your own private swim area. But the view every morning here is absolutely phenomenal. It's actually different, way different in building 1 and 2, which is also Diamond Club, because this is a Diamond Club suite, suite 5005, building 5, Royalton Negril. See you on the next trip.